CM Panchal, exercise number 36. A stenographer's profession may be considered as the most difficult and delicate one in the world, both from the point of view of their production and increasing demand in this rocket age. Being a member of the family of twin arts, they play a very important and significant role in business, political and scientific world. Stenographers are made of a special mold in this world in general and India in particular, where unemployment explosion is a little but greater than population explosion. Shorthand writers are always short of hand. Para, an intellectual stenographer knows the value of his profession accurately and as to how much devotion it calls for. To see a shorthand instructor is very small, but to master its techniques and principles and to attain a speed of 180 words per minute is really a wonderful achievement. It is no doubt a profession for persons with self determination and self confidence and those who are ready for an unbearable and unbreakable task, and it requires painstaking and strenuous efforts. When one starts his study, he has to lay foundation in his mind by infinite patience and self-confidence and to erect a wall of memory, of concentration and hard work for which accuracy and efficiency is the keynote. One has to love the subject as if the loves his life to get a good response in his attempt, which takes him to a prosperous and happy life. Para, as has been evident from the present state of affairs, many enter into the world of shorthand with a curiosity to get a job as quickly as possible and not with the curiosity to study the subject interestingly and painfully, and because of this a few limited numbers are coming out with flying colors in their attempts. Over.